Want to earn up to $10 per survey? Intrigued? Keep watching. Imagine transforming your opinions into real cash, right from the comfort of your home. Yes, that's right. By simply sharing your views on various topics, you can earn money. And it's not pennies we're talking about, but up to $10 for just one survey. It's time to tap into the power of your opinion. Join the thousands who are already reaping the benefits of paid online surveys at HeyPiggy. Getting started is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First off, you'll want to make your way over to the HeyPiggy website. There, you'll find an option to sign up for free. Yes, you heard it right. Absolutely free. No hidden charges, no complications, just a simple sign-up process. Next, you'll need to fill in some basic information about yourself. Nothing too personal, just enough to get you started. Remember, the more accurate your information, the more suitable surveys you'll get, and the more you stand to earn. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, hit that submit button and voila, you're now a part of the HeyPiggy community. The best part? HeyPiggy is available on both Android and iOS platforms. So whether you're an Apple aficionado or an Android enthusiast, you can start earning from the comfort of your mobile device. In no time, you'll be all set up and ready to start earning. Now let's talk about the fun part, taking surveys and earning real cash. HeyPiggy value your opinion and ready to pay for it. It's as simple as it sounds. You take a survey and you get paid. No hidden charges, no tricky conditions, just plain and straightforward earning. The process goes like this. You log into your HeyPiggy account, you'll see a dashboard full of surveys. Now these aren't just any surveys, they cover a wide variety of topics from lifestyle to technology, from food to fashion, you name it. The choice is all yours to pick the ones that interest you the most. Each survey doesn't take more than a few minutes to complete, and the best part? You can earn up to $10 per survey. Yes, you heard that right, $10 for just a few minutes of your time, and there's no limit to the number of surveys you can take in a day. Your earnings accrue in your HeyPiggy account, and you can see them grow with each survey you complete. It's like a game, but instead of points, you're earning real money. And let's not forget, the more surveys you take, the more you earn. Imagine getting paid for simply sharing your opinion. Exciting, right? You've taken the surveys, you've earned the cash. Now how do you get your hands on your earnings? With HeyPiggy, the payout process is a breeze. You can withdraw your earnings directly to your PayPal account or, if you prefer, choose from over 155 different gift cards. The best part? You receive your rewards instantly, no waiting around for days. Whether it's cash or gift cards, your rewards are just a few clicks away. So, are you ready to turn your opinions into cash? It's time to jump on board with HeyPiggy. Sign up today and start earning by simply sharing your views. Think about it, even your friends and family could benefit from this. So why not share this video with them too? Let's transform those thoughts into tangible rewards together. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more ways to earn online. See you at HeyPiggy.